Oh, the train is coming. This is also one of the artifacts that we are preserving here at the Uganda Railway Museum. It's called the Locomotive. So it's a diesel locomotive. So by the time the museum was established, we couldn't get the steam locomotive. But to enable our clients experience the railway heritage tours, we got this diesel locomotive. So it was bought by Idi Amin in the early 1970s. So up to now it is still existing. Let's come and tour. And here, this is the driver's section where the driver sits. There are usually two seats within a locomotive. The train pulls and pushes. So if the train is moving to the other direction, the driver will shift and sit on the other seat. So these are some of the laws and the regulations which governed the train drivers. This is a driver section, or where the drivers sit when they are driving the train. By the way, a train driver is called a locomotive driver, not a captain. Some people tend to call them captains. So if the train is going to the other direction, the driver will sit on this seat, the one that I'm sitting on, and he will be able to see what's going on the other side. And if the train is going to the other direction, to the other seat. So this is a carriage, or you call it a coach, a passenger coach, or a passenger carriage. It was used by the first class people, the first class staff, as they were operating various lines within the country. So it was used during the colonial times. However, we have refurbished it and made it to serve the museum purpose. So it has different sections. Let's see. It was called a restroom. In case the people got tired, they would come and use this restroom to rest. We have a kitchen inside. And as I said, that the trains were self-contained. We have rules and regulations. These are the rules and the regulations which governed those who were operating this section, the kitchen. If you wanted to relax and take a bath, this was where you were supposed to go. And later a toilet. The pool just go onto the lines, straight to the lines. So this is a screen where that documentary is.
Okay. All right. Now, this is a coach that was used by the white supervisors for relaxation as they supervise the work going on here at the railway station. This has been turned into a room where the visitors get to appreciate the history of the Uganda Railway Museum.